3D meshing. Complete procedure in Hypermesh. Introduction. Quality check of 2D mesh. Element refinement and improvement. Checking free edges and T-connections. Converting 2D mesh into 3D mesh. After meshing, press F10 for the quality checkup of 2D mesh. Check the aspect ratio. Check minimum angle. Check maximum angle. If failure occurs, correct them. Press Shift plus F3 to find free edges and T-connections. Click on Element command and click Displayed. If found, correct them. Click on 3D and Tetramesh. Click on Element command and click Displayed. Click on Check 2D Mesh and Run. After check, click on Mesh. After that, the volume will be generated. Click on Return. Close the surface and element of generated volume. Click on the existing component and delete it. Open the surface and element of generated volume. Rename it. The 3D mesh is generated. To check the 3D mesh, click F5 for Mask and Unmask. Select the elements. This helps to see the inside elements of the component. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Gururaj Korti.